Hi, and welcome. Welcome again, welcome back to my channel for a new daily fresh dose of ASMR map and tracing today with facts or statistics all about the South Pole or Antarctica. All about the South Pole. Well, the South Pole is known as the geographic South Pole of the Earth and is one of the most remote and extreme places you can find on this planet. It is located on the continent of Antarctica. It marks the southernmost point of Earth where the planet's axis of rotations are converging. The location of the South Pole is exactly 90 degrees south. 90 degrees south. The elevation is approximately where this point is found. It's about 2,835 meters or 9,000 feet above the sea level, with a thick ice sheet contributing significantly to this height. The ice at the South Pole is about 2,700 meters thick. That means that 2.7 kilometers thick or 9,000 feet thick. So ice is equal to 2.7 kilometers thick or 9,000 feet. Yes. The Earth's axis runs through this point, meaning all longitudinal lines are converging in this area. The temperature to the South Pole is lower than on the North Pole in winter. So in winter the temperature is equal with minus 60, minus 70 degrees Celsius, or that means minus 94 degrees Fahrenheit. And in summer they are going up to minus 25 or minus 30 degrees Celsius or minus 22 Fahrenheit. Technically, is a desert with very low annual precipitation. The only precipitation are mostly from ice crystals. The area is very windy. It's very windy, and the winds can go up over 100 kilometers per hour in terms of speed, of course. There are a few research stations here operated by some countries. One of them is Amundsen Scott, operated by USA. Which is right here. Amundsen Scott, USA, is right on the South Pole. First arrival, the Ronald Amundsen team in 14 December 1911 and Robert Falcon in January 1912. It is a challenging destination for adventurers and scientists. How about the wildlife? The South Pole has no native wildlife, so no wildlife native. Due to extreme conditions, however, on the coastal areas of Antarctica, there are living some animal species like penguins, seals, and seabirds. Well, this only on the coastal, but in the inland, no, there is snow. Due to the harsh conditions, there are no wildlife been ever recorded. Some unknown and fascinating facts. Since all the lines converge to the South Pole, technically all time zones meet here. However, the Amundsen Scott station uses New Zealand time, UTC plus 12 or plus 13. The surface of the South Pole is not a land but a thick sheet of ice, but beneath the ice is the continental landmass. Continental landmass, which you might detect it on the edges. Yeah. Well, this is compared to, for example, to the North Pole, which is only a thick ice sheet that covers the Arctic Ocean. Well, here we have a landmass beneath the ice. Shifting pole, the geographic South Pole, shifts about 10 meters per year due to the movement of the ice sheet. So, shifts 10 meters per year. Here there are no living people. Well, compared to the North Pole, where are some people that are living, here there are no permanent inhabitants, only science and special crew are assigned to the scientific explorations and bases. There are no indigenous people, so no indigenous people. Darkness and light. The South Pole experienced 6 months of continuous daylight summer and 6 months of darkness in winter. Lake Vostok, a subglacial lake 4,000 meters below the ice, not directly to the pole but nearby, remains liquid due to the geothermal heat. Lake Vostok. The pole is a premier location for observing cosmic microwave background radiations, providing some insight to the early universe. Tourism. Adventure tourism is growing, especially in the Arctic Peninsula, where the weather is a little bit more mild, and there are some tourist attraction here, like bird seeing or wildlife spotting. Air quality. The air at the South Pole is the cleanest on the earth, making it ideal for atmospheric study. So, clean air, that's important. There is no pollution here because there are no pollution factors or polluting factors. Challenges and risk for those who are living temporarily in the South Pole. Extreme cold, like I said, minus 60, 70 degrees in winter can lead to severe frostbites, and hypothermia risk. Another risk is resupply missions are rare and emergencies are difficult to handle. Well, the South Pole remains one of the most enigmatic and scientifically valuable place on Earth. I hope you enjoyed this video, and now at the end we can trace somehow sketching the contour of Antarctica, which is a continent. Thank you very much for watching, and until next time, I wish you all the best. And, well, we are frozen. This is